Okay, good morning, everybody. Please ensure that my slides are clear and my voice is audible to you, everybody. Okay. Right. So, how many of you have completed your yesterday's test and any difficulties you have faced? Anybody? Okay. You try to provide me in terms of uh, uh, the toughness. If you put one, you say it is very easy. If you put two, it is moderate. If you put three, it is going to be very tough. In your chat box, how many of you felt that one is okay? One by means it is very easy. Two, it is going to be very moderate. Third is very tough. How many of you faced what type of difficulty? Can you ensure that in your chat window? One, two, or three. Typing one, two, or three. Just to know. That's it. Just to know how much you have done it. Okay, how much you felt the question papers. Uh, okay, whether it is easy or tough, I want to know that. So kindly tell me whether it is one, two, or three. Anyway, you will be having a discussion today. That is another different issue. But I want to know how many of you have felt that it is easy. The questions are little easy. The questions are moderate. Questions are tough. Everybody in the class, please put it in the chat window. Either one, two, or three. One stands for easy, two stands for moderate, three stands for toughness. Put it in your chat window, please, so that I can get some idea about how far you have understood the subject. Okay, at what level you are. Kanmo Christian is three, very good. Okay. What about the others? Nobody have written it. Those who have written, please put your level of understanding. Okay, make it fast because I cannot wait for more than 1 or 2 minutes, right? Okay, Virulok, Muhammad Anwar is two, so moderate. What about the others? Typing one, two, or three is very, very difficult, no? Only two boys have responded. What about the others? Steve Wow seems to be very easy, right? So I think I may get lot of answers from Steve Wow today, right? Who is that next? Okay, now Steve Wow switched over to two moderate. Okay, so moderately I'll be asking you some questions. Okay, right then. What about the others? I cannot get any more. Only three boys have responded. I can see much more there in the classroom numbers. Hello. Okay, so you even you doesn't know how to say it, right? So I will understand that like you have a problem in that saying the toughness, right? So maybe right. So we will start our discussion today. Anybody have a whoever have doubts, please put an S in the chat window in all your four questions or any of the questions because we are going to discuss all the four problems today. Let me see how many of you are able to how many of you have written it correctly. Okay, put in the chat window. How many of you need assistance or you need some clarifications or doubts when you are solving problem yesterday? Put an S in the chat window. Just a letter S, that's enough. Don't need to YES and all. Okay, put an S. Hello, please in the classroom. If you have a doubt yesterday, if you got some doubt in the yesterday's exam, put an S in the chat window so that I will know how many of you have got doubt, How many of you have okay, not even got any doubt, just like that you solved the problem and got the answer? Just want to know, just a curiosity of knowing how much you have gained from the previous 11 to 12 classes what we have discussed. Hello, யாருக்காவது டவுட் இருந்ததுன்னா, நேத்தி ப்ராப்ளம் சால்வ் பண்ணும்போது டவுட் இருந்தது, நிறைய டவுட்ஸ் வந்தது அப்படின்னா கொஞ்சம் ஒரு எஸ் அப்படின்னு ஒரு சாட் விண்டோவில் போடுங்கன்னு சொல்கிறேன். நான் தமிழில் சொல்கிறேன். இப்போ இல்லை டவுட்டே வரல அப்படின்னா நோன்னு போடுங்க. டவுட்டே வரல, எல்லாமே கிளியராக புரிஞ்சிடுச்சு, ஈஸியாக சால்வ் பண்ணியாச்சு அப்படின்னா யூ புட் நோ, தட்ஸ் இட். ரெண்டுமே போடல அப்படின்னா நான் எப்படி எடுத்துக்கிறது? பையன் பொண்ணு ரெண்டு பேருமே யாருமே ப்ராப்ளம் செய்யலை அப்படின்னு எடுத்துக்கிறதா? ரொம்ப அமைதியாக இருக்கேன் இன்னைக்கு கிளாஸை கொஞ்சம் இது பண்ணிவிடுவோமா? ப்ரெசன்ட் சொல்லுங்கள் பார்ப்போம் எல்லாரும். உங்கள் மைக் ஆன் பண்ணி ப்ரெசண்ட்டை சொல்லுங்கள், நான் பார்த்துக்கிறேன் யார் யார் வந்திருக்கிறீங்கன்னு. எவ்ரிபடி ஸ்டார்டிங் ஃப்ரம் யுவர் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நம்பர். Everybody in the class, switch on your mic and say present so that I can know at least there are people to hear something. Say an S from your switching on your mic. Otherwise, I will not be going to teach you anything today. Make it clear. Starting from the first number, please unmute yourself and answer. Afrida Tashin, yes. Clarish Felina. Clarish Felina. So I will mark her as. Okay. Hariharan.
Yes,
Hariharan. Okay. Jennifer Disha.
yes, sir.
Present, sir.
Okay. Okay. Karunya.
Present, sir.
Muhammad Afsal.
Present, sir.
Anwar. Anwar, are you there?
Present, sir.
Okay. Nafis. Nafis Hassan. Nafis Hassan. So let me mark him as absent today, right? Okay. Shakti Atish.
Present, sir.
Good. Shanmuha Krishnan.
Yes, sir. Present.
Okay. Steve Wow.
Present, sir.
Sushma.
Present, sir.
Veera Lokesh.
Present, sir.
Vishnu.
Present, sir.
Fine. So everybody has been there in the chat actually, right? So I've been asking you several questions, but people are not responding. Right. So we will see one by one whether we want to discuss it or we will go to the next unit. Okay. Okay. That I have to be very clear. Whether you want me to discuss yesterday's question or we will go to the next unit. Hello. சொன்னா தானடா எனக்கு தெரியும். டவுட்ஸ் இருந்ததுன்னா டவுட்ஸ் இருக்குன்னு சொல்லி இதில் ஒன்றும் தப்பு கிடையாது. டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணலாம்னா பண்ணலாம் சார்னு சொல்லு, ஒன்றும் தப்பு கிடையாது. ஏன் அமைதியாக இருக்கிறீங்க? ப்ரெசன்ட் சொல்கிறதுக்கு மட்டும்தான் பண்ணுறீங்களா?
நான் டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணலாம் சார்.
அது சொல்கிறதுக்கு என்ன, ஜாலியாக கிளாஸ் அட்டன் பண்ணிவிட்டு ஜாலியாக டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணிட்டு போகலாம் இல்லையா? ஊரா பாரு, எல்லாம் அப்படி தான் இருக்கீங்க. ரைட். ஓகே. ஸோ வி வில் ஸ்டார்ட் அவர் டிஸ்கஷன். ஸோ yesterday we got some 4 problems for our test. Okay. So 4 problems for our test. 1 and 3, okay, the marks is going to be 10, and 2 and 4, the marks is going to be 15. Okay, each. So I think you have 20 and you have 30, so you'll have 50 marks. Okay, these and all I have already I have provided in the question paper itself, and in that and in the Google Classroom instruction to students, right? And so many of you have submitted your answer sheets only in my WhatsApp number. Why you have not submitted through Google Classrooms? Classrooms le idu or assignment submission mari dana kuduthirundhen. Only two persons have submitted properly in Google Classrooms. Even I forgot their name. I think Hariharan. Hariharan, have you submitted to Google Classrooms? Hariharan?
Yes, sir.
நீ நேற்று கூகுள் கிளாஸ் ரூம்ல சப்மிட் பண்ணியா வாட்ஸ்அப்ல அனுப்பிச்சியா?
Google Classroom, sir.
ஓகே, தேங்க்யூ. வேற யாருமா
Thanks.
ஒருத்தர், வேற ஒரு பையனோ பொண்ணோ யாரோ ஒருத்தர் சப்மிட் பண்ணியிருந்தாங்க. ஈவன் ஐ கேன் see that today. Do you have any difficulty in dealing with that actually? கூகுள் கிளாஸ் ரூம்ல சப்மிட் பண்றதுல எதுவும் பிரச்சனை இருக்கா? ஹலோ, ஓகே, 7 பேர் சப்மிட் பண்ணியிருக்கிறீங்க. இன்னும் 10 பேர் சப்மிட் பண்ணவே இல்லை. ஐ ஹாவ் டு வெரிஃபை தட் இன் மை numbers. Who are have turned in Hariharan, Muhammad Afsal, Muhammad Anwar, Nafis, Shakti Atish, Shanmuga Krishnan, Surya. ஓகே, சூர்யா இவங்க எல்லாம் வந்து சப்மிட் பண்ணியிருக்கிறாங்க. இவங்க எல்லாம் சப்மிட் பண்ணலை. 17 பேர், 10 பேர் சப்மிட் பண்ணலை. ஆனால் 10 பேரில் ஐ டோன்ட் நோ, ஐ ஹவ் டு வெரிஃபை. ஓகே, வெரிஃபை தட் இன் மை வாட்ஸ்அப் நம்பர் ஆல்சோ. கேர்ள்ஸில் யாரும் சப்மிட் பண்ணியிருக்கீங்களா? கேர்ள்ஸில் யாரும் வாட்ஸ்அப் நம்பருக்கு சப்மிட் பண்ணியிருந்தீங்களா? ஹலோ, என்னப்பா பதில் வரமாட்டேங்குது. எஸ் எஸ் எஸ். ஓகே, கிளாஸ் ரூமில் சப்மிட் பண்ணிடுறீங்களா இன்னைக்கு? உங்கள் பேப்பர் எப்படியும் வாட்ஸ்அப்பில் எனக்கு இருக்குது. கிளாஸ் ரூமில் சப்மிட் பண்ணிட்டீங்கன்னா தென் இட் வில் பி ஈஸி ஃபார் மீ டு கிரேட் அண்ட் ஆல். ஓகே, those who have submitted in the WhatsApp, please try to submit it in the Google Classrooms today. யாருக்கும் டிஃபிகல்ட்டி இருக்கா சப்மிட் பண்றதுல? தெரியலையா யாருக்கும்? அட்டாச் பண்றது தானே. ஓகே, எனிவே we will try to go to the first question. Okay, this is a very simple question actually. You can, it's just a cake walk மாதிரி தான். ஈஸியான கொஸ்டின் ரொம்ப. Okay, can anybody say what is the answer you got for V1? Anybody who has your answers with you? Can anybody share that answers now? Hello. யாராவது அன்மியூட் பண்ணி கூட சொல்லலாமே, ஆன்சர் கையில் இருந்ததுன்னா. தப்புன்னா பிரச்சனை இல்லை. ஓகே, there is always things to do mistakes. Okay, people will do mistakes alone, but only, okay, if you know that is a mistake, then only you can rectify that. Unless otherwise you know the mistake, whatever you committed, okay, unless otherwise you know that is a mistake, you will not rectify that. அப்போ தப்புன்னு தெரிஞ்சாதான் திருப்பி சரி பண்ண முடியும். அதனால ஆன்சர் தப்பா இருந்தால் அதை பற்றிலாம் கவலைப்படாதீங்க. உங்களோட ரொம்ப மோசமா நான்லாம் வந்து படிச்சிருக்கிறேன். அதனால ஒன்றும் தப்பு கிடையாது. அதனால ஆன்சர் உங்களுக்கு என்ன வந்ததோ அது சும்மா சொல்லலாம், என்ன ஆன்சர் வந்ததுன்னு. திருப்பி நான் அட்டண்டன்ஸ் எடுக்க வச்சிடாதீங்க. ஒவ்வொருத்தரா யாராவது ஒருத்தர் சொல்லலாமே. ஐ திங்க் இதுல என்ன இருக்குடா தம்பி? சரி, ஓகே, லெட் மீ ரைட் ஈக்குவேஷன்ஸ். வாட் ஆர் தி ஈக்குவேஷன்ஸ்? கேன் எனிபடி சே if I am considering V1, that is node 1. Okay, let us say node 1. Okay, this is node 1, this is node 2, node 1, node 2 and node 3. Very simple actually. Okay, so from node 1, what I can say, considering node 1, what I can say, two currents are going outside. This is going outside, I1 is going outside, I4 is going outside. All these currents are going outside. So I can say I1 plus I2 plus I4 is equal to 0. How many of you got it correct? How many of you have got it correct? Mark it as yes in your chat window. எத்தனை பேர் இது ஈக்குவேஷன் மொதல் ஈக்குவேஷன் கரெக்டாக எழுதுனீங்க? ஒரு எஸ்ன்னு போடுங்க பாவம் சாட் விண்டோவில், எனக்கு தெரியும். அப்போ தான் ஓகே யூ ஆர் கோயிங். எனக்கு ஒரு ஹாப்பினஸ் இருக்கும். ஓகே வாட் எவர் ஐ ஹவ் தாட் ஹேஸ் ரீச் யூ அப்படின்னு சொல்லி, அதுக்காக தான் கேட்டுக்கிட்டே இருக்கேன். ரைட், எனிவே லெட் மீ கோ டு த நெக்ஸ்ட் எக்ஸ்டென்ஷன். வாட் இஸ் தட்? திஸ் I1 கேன் பி ரிட்டன் as V1 minus V3 divided by 20. Is that right? Plus, what is I2? V1 minus V2 divided by 5. Plus I4 is V1 divided by 10. How many of you got it correct? How many of you got it correct actually? Still no answers coming out. So V1 is taken as common, 1 by 20 plus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 10 minus 1 by 5 into V2 minus 1 by 20 into V3. Is that okay? Still no comments are coming out. So I can reduce this as 0.35 V1 minus 0.2 V2 minus 0.05 V3 is equal to 0. So this is my final first equation. Let us say this is 1A. Okay. So this is my first equation when I am considering my node 1. What happens to node 2? If we consider node 2, at node 2, what I can write? All the three currents are coming towards their node. So I2 plus I3 plus 10 amps is equal to 0. So again I2 can be written as, this time it is going to be, I2 is the direction of current, you know. So it is going to be V1 minus V2 divided by 5. We already know that. Plus I3 also, it is V3 minus V2 divided by 10, which is equal to minus 10. So I can write it like 1 by 5 V1 minus V2 into 1 by 5 plus 1 by 10 okay, V2 is already written. So right, plus V3 into 1 by 10 is equal to minus 10. Everybody got this? Everybody got this actually? So what you got, if you can write it like 0.2 V1 minus 0.3 V2 plus 0.1 V3 is equal to minus 10. If you multiply that with minus, then you will get different equation. So I will have this equation as equation number 2. Any doubts so far? யாருக்காவது இந்த இது வரைக்கும் நம்ம டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணதுல ஏதாவது ஒரு பாயிண்ட் புரியலையா? யாருக்கு டவுட் இருக்கா? Everybody in the class please respond, then only I can know. Okay, டவுட் இருக்கான்னு கேட்குறேன். எஸ் சார்னு சொல்றதுல உங்களுக்கு ஒன்றும் ப்ராப்ளம் இல்லையே? டவுட் இருந்துச்சுன்னா, இல்லை நோ சார்னு சொல்றதுல ஒன்றும் ப்ராப்ளம் இருக்காது. ஓகே, பட் சும்மா நோ சார்னு சொல்லக்கூடாது. புரிஞ்சா புரிஞ்சுதுன்னு சொல்லுங்க, புரியலன்னா புரியலன்னே சொல்லுங்க. ஐ கேன் ரிப்பீட் இட், நோ இஷ்யூ. Okay, so what happened to the third equation? I think I can write it here. Okay, because I have not taken that figure to the next. So what I can write? I3 plus I5 is equal to I1, because I1 is coming inside and I3 and I5 are leaving. And if you write your equation here, okay, this I1 is okay, V1 minus V3. So I will write it here. V1 minus V3 divided by 20 is equal to, what is I3? I3 is V3 minus V2 divided by 10. Okay, what is I5 plus V3 divided by 5. So finally, I will get it like minus 0.05 V1 minus 0.1 V2 plus 0.35 V3 is equal to 0. This is my third equation. How many of you got all these three equations correct? Okay, I will reconsider that. Even you can submit your even if you have made mistakes, now you can repeat, you can solve all these questions and you can resubmit your answers. That is not an issue at all. Thing is, you have to understand and do. Right? Tell me, how many of you got all these three equations correctly? Everybody in the class, please respond. I have to wait for your response. How many of you got two equations correct? At least. Mark it is 1, 2, 3. 1 is by means 1 equation correct, 2 by means 2 equations correct, 3 by means 3 equations correct. I don't expect 0 to be there. Okay, Shanmuga gave me 2. Okay, fine. What about the others? What is that marking a number there in your chat window? Are you feeling tired so much in spite of having 2 days holidays? What is that issue? Right? Mark your number. It is 1, 2 or 3, even 0, it is not a problem. Okay, all 3 are not correct. That is not an issue. Now, if you have learned it, how to write it, then it is going to be happy for me, right? Everybody understood the problem, understood the equations, writing the equations. Hello? Okay, how many of you have written it correctly? That no one have written it? Only two. Shanmugha Krishnan has said me as 2 equations I have written. Shanmugha Krishnan, which equation you have made wrong? Shanmugha Krishnan, are you there?
It's the last equation, the third equation.
What is the mistake you have done?
I put plus I1, sir.
I1
Equal
மட்டும் தான்
அங்கிட்டு இல்லை
போட்டிருக்குது.
சார், அது இங்கிட்டு போட்டேன்.
ஓகே
இல்லை
ஓகே,
சார்,
அத
மாற்றி
டைரக்ஷனை
போட்டேன்
பார்க்காம போட்டு. ஆனா ஆன்சர் வந்து ஓகே, ஆன்சர் வந்து வரும்போது வந்து உனக்கு ஆன்சர் நெகட்டிவ்ல வந்திருக்கும். அவ்வளவுதான் வித்தியாசம் இருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். பார்க்கலாம் ஆன்சர் என்ன வந்ததுன்னு. கொஞ்சம் உன்கிட்ட இருக்கா, பேப்பர் இருக்கா?
இல்லை சார், பேப்பர் இல்லை சார்.
பேப்பர் இல்லையா?
வெளியே
பறக்க விட்டியா?
இல்லை சார், நோட்லாம் சார் எழுதியிருக்கேன், வெளியே இருக்கேன் சார்.
நோட் வெளியில வந்திருக்கிறியா?
ம்.
பாவியலா என்ன மொபைல்ல கவனிச்சுக்கிட்டு இருக்க சொன்னா நீங்க மொபைல்லே இருக்கீங்க. ஓகே, so if you solve these three equations, what are those equations? 0.35 v1 minus 0.2 v2 minus 0.05 v3 is equal to 0. This is first equation. The second equation is minus 0.2 v1 plus 0.3 v2 minus 0.1 v3 is equal to 10. This is second equation. And third equation is 0.05 v1 minus 0.1 v2. Okay, I think I write it correctly. (0.1 v2) and plus 0.35 v3 is equal to 0. Okay, these are the three equations, and you solve these three equations. Okay, you can directly use your calculators to solve this equation. How many of you know how to know how to solve simultaneous equations using calculators? You can go for Cramer's rule also. You can use calculators directly to get your answers. Anyway, I will write your answers directly. Okay, don't waste your time in writing and solving these equations. Okay, your system of university examination says that you can use your calculators. So 45.45 volts, this is V1. V2 is equal to 72.73 volts and V3 is equal to 27.27 volts. How many of you got this answer? Maybe if you got it somewhere in negative side, I think the, as what Shanmugha Krishna has said, this current direction might have been changed. That's it. How many of you have got it correctly? Everybody in the class, please respond in the chat window. 1 is correct or 2 is correct or whatever it is. Okay, 1 is answer. One V1 got correct, V2 and V3 is different, or V2 is correct, V1 and V3 has been different, or V1 V2 is correct, V3 is different. Whatever the permutation and combination you have. Nobody have got the correct answer? Yes? Hello, everybody, please respond. V3 is wrong for one for, okay, Afsal, okay, right. Right, so what about the others? Please respond in the chat window, then only I will be able to know that. Don't feel any hesitation in asking doubts or saying that I have made a mistake. That is not at all an issue. Okay, இங்க யாரும் ஒன்றும் சொல்ல போறது கிடையாது. தப்புனா தப்பு, அவ்வளவுதானே, தெரிஞ்சுக்க போறோம், அவ்வளவுதான். மேக் இட் ஃபாஸ்ட். சரி, நான் கேட்ட கேள்விக்கு பதிலே வரலையே. கால்குலேட்டர் யூஸ் பண்ணி இதை சால்வ் பண்ண தெரிஞ்சவங்க எத்தனை பேர்? எஸ் ஆர் நோ, அதையாவது சொல்லலாமே. ஈக்குவேஷன்ஸை காருண்யா மட்டும்தான் எஸ் சொல்லியிருக்கிறாங்க, மிச்சம் எல்லாம் நோன்னு சொல்றாங்க. ஏன்? கால்குலேட்டர் தெரியலையா? நோ நோ நோன்னு தான் ஏகப்பட்டது வருது. என்ன மேத்தமெட்டிக்ஸ்ல கால்குலேட்டர் ஈக்குவேஷன் சால்வ் பண்ண சொல்லி கொடுத்துருப்பாங்க இல்லையா? How many of you are having calculators with you now? How many of you are having calculators with you now? யாருக்கிட்டலாம் கால்குலேட்டர்ஸ் இருக்கு இப்போ? யார்கிட்டயுமே இல்லையா? Okay, now I am showing that in the video. Now you can see that. Okay, you can take your calculators, go to mode. Okay, are you ready with that? I'm trying to give you an idea about how to use the calculator to solve this. Okay, let me come out of this and we will come back after this explanation. Okay, I think now the calculator is available to you. Yes or no? In the chat window, please. Hello. Okay, now take your calculators, go to mode. Mode எடுத்துக்குங்க. முதல் தடவை பிரஸ் பண்ண உடனே என்னப்பா தெரியுது உங்களுக்கு மோட்ல? ஹலோ, நீங்க சொன்னாதான்ப்பா தெரியும். நீங்க எல்லாரும் இதே மாதிரி கால்குலேட்டர் வச்சிருக்கீங்களா, வேற வேற வச்சிருக்கீங்களான்னு எனக்கு தெரியாது. ஓகே, அது மறுபடியும் மோட பிரஸ் பண்ணுங்க. ஓகே, காம்ப்ளெக்ஸ் கிடைக்குதா? மறுபடியும் மோட பிரஸ் பண்ணுங்க. SD REG பேஸ்ன்னு வருதா? மறுபடியும் மோட பிரஸ் பண்ணுங்க. 3 தடவை மோட பிரஸ் பண்ணிருக்கீங்க. ஈக்குவேஷன் வந்திருக்கா? EQN ன்னு ஒன்று வந்திருக்கா?
எஸ் சார்.
எப்பா எல்லாரும் சொன்னீங்கன்னா தெரியும். அப்சல் மட்டும் பேசுற மாதிரி எனக்கு தெரியுது. ஈக்குவேஷன் EQN ன்னு வந்திருக்கா? EQN 1 செலக்ட் பண்ணீங்கன்னா இப்ப என்ன கேக்குதுன்னா அன்னோன்ஸ் கேக்குது. கேக்குதா? எத்தனை பேருக்கு கேக்குது அன்னோன்ஸ்?
எஸ் சார், கேக்குது சார்.
பாரு, 2 பேர் தான் பேசுற, எல்லாம் ஒன்றும் பேசவே மாட்டேறாங்க. அன்னோன்ஸ்னா இங்க என்னென்ன அர்த்தம் அப்படின்னா ஈக்குவேஷன்ஸ், எத்தனை ஈக்குவேஷன்ஸ்ன்ற மாதிரி தான். அப்போ அன்னோன்ஸ் வந்து எத்தனை ஈக்குவேஷன் இங்க இருக்கு? 3 வேரியபிள் இருந்தா 3 ஈக்குவேஷன், அப்படித்தான் மினிமம் உனக்கு தெரியும். அதனால அன்னோன்ஸ் வந்து 3. அந்த 3 பிரஸ் பண்ணிக்கோ. இப்போ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் என்ன கேக்குது?
A1 கேக்குது சார்.
அப்ப எல்லாரும் ஃபாலோ பண்றீங்கன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். இது
A1
ஓகே ரைட். A1 கேட்கும். இப்போ என்ன பண்ணியிருக்கோம்னா மோட 3 தடவை ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கிறோம். ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணதுக்கப்புறம் ஈக்யூஎன்னு ஈக்குவேஷன் வந்திருக்கும். அதை 1 ப்ரெஸ் பண்ண உடனே அன்னோன்ஸ்ல 2 ஆர் 3ன்னு கேட்கும். 2னா 2 வேரியபிள், 3னா 3 வேரியபிள். நமக்கு V1 V2 V3ன்னு 3 வேரியபிள் இருக்கு. அப்போ 3. அப்போ 3 ப்ரெஸ் பண்ண உடனே எனக்கு முதல்ல கேட்கறது A1னா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஈக்குவேஷன்ல முதல் வேரியபிளோட கோஎஃபிஷியன்ட் எவ்வளவுப்பா? டயக்ராம் இதுல பாத்தீங்கன்னா தெரியும். இப்போ ஸ்கிரீன்ல இருக்கு. எவ்வளவு இருக்கு? எவ்வளவுப்பா இருக்கு?
0.35 sir.
0.35 பிரஸ் பண்ணு. 0.35 ஈக்குவல் டு கொடு. அடுத்து என்ன கேக்குது?
B1
B1 கேக்குது. B1னா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஈக்குவேஷன்ல V2 ஓட கோஎஃபிஷியன்ட் என்னது?
0.2 sir.
-0.2 -0.2 கொடுங்க. ஈக்குவல் டு பிரஸ் பண்ணுங்க. அடுத்து என்ன கேக்குது?
C1 sir.
C1 கேக்குது. -0.05 பிரஸ் பண்ணுங்க. ஈக்குவல் டு D1 கேட்கும். D1 வந்து 0. ஈக்குவல் டு பிரஸ் பண்ணுங்க. என்ன கேக்குது? A2 என்னது? -0.2 மறுபடியும் பிரஸ் பண்ணுங்க. ஈக்குவல் டு 0.3 மறுபடியும் ஈக்குவல் டு -0.1 அடுத்து 10. அடுத்து A3 கேக்குது. -0.05 -0.1 அடுத்து 0.35 அடுத்து 0. இப்போ என்ன ஆன்சர் வந்திருக்கு? முடிச்சவங்க திருப்பி சொல்றேன். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஈக்குவேஷன்ல ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கோஎஃபிஷியன்ட் 0.35, அடுத்து -0.2 -0.05 அடுத்து D1 வந்து 0, அடுத்து -0.2 0.3 -0.1 10. அடுத்த ஈக்குவேஷன் -0.5 -0.05 -0.1 0.35 0. ஈக்குவல் டு பிரஸ் பண்ணீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு என்ன ஆன்சர் வருது? X is equal to 45.45. கரெக்ட் காருண்யா. தென் மறுபடியும் பிரஸ் பண்ணுங்க. X என்ன வருது? ஈக்குவல் டு Y is equal to 72.727. திருப்பி பிரஸ் பண்ணீங்கன்னா Z is equal to 27.27. ஆன்சர் அங்க என்ன உங்க ஸ்கிரீன்ல இருக்கோ அதே தான். யாருக்கும் டவுட் இருக்கா அந்த ஒர்க்கிங்ல? நீங்க கிராமஸ் ரூல் போய் போடுறதும் ஒண்ணுதான், இப்படியும் பண்ணிட்டு போயிடலாம், தப்பு கிடையாது.
No doubt sir.
எல்லாருக்கும் ஆன்சர் வந்துருச்சாப்பா? செஞ்சவங்க அத்தனை பேருக்கும் யாருக்காவது டிஃபிகல்ட்டி இருக்கா? அதுல உங்களுக்கு ஈக்குவேஷன்ல செஞ்சு பார்க்கறதுனா அந்த இருக்கு பாருங்க, உங்களுக்கு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா தெரியும். யூ கேன் வியூ தட். ஈவன் ஐ கேன் டூ ஒன் மோர் திங். ஸோ ஃபார் யுவர் notice, let me mark the coefficients. This is A1, this minus is B1, this minus including is C1, and this is D1. The same way, this is A2, okay, B2, including the minus, this is C2 and D2. This one is A3, this one is B3, this is C3 and this is D3. Okay, use your calculator. Mode has to be pressed 3 times. Select EQN 1, then your unknowns, it is 3. Then you will get A1, B1, C1, D1. Then you will get A2, B2, C2, D2 equal to. Every time you have to equal to A3, B3, C3, D3 equal to. Finally you will get X is equal to this one, Y is equal to this one, and Z is equal to this one. I hope that this will help you even after okay, if you see this video again, you probably will be getting that the methodology clearly. I hope that this will help you a lot in dealing with the simultaneous equations. Is that okay? Hello. Right. So
Sir.
let me go to the second question. Okay, what is the second question? Okay, this one. This one. Again, this is again. It seems to be a little bigger problem, but it's again a simple problem. It's a very simple problem. Let me try to solve this one first. Let me consider my node one. Let me consider my node one. What is there in the node one? This is my node one. Okay, how many branches are there? 1, 2, and 3. What are the currents? What are the currents? One current is coming inside, the other currents, two currents are leaving. What are they? I1 is coming inside, so I will make it as I1 is equal to I2 plus I3. What is I1? What is I1? I1 is the current passing from 12-volt source. Okay, from 12-volt source it is passing towards V1. So I1 has to be marked as 12 minus V1 divided by 4. The voltage divided by the resistor will give me my branch current. So I1 is equal to 12 minus V1 by 4, which is equal to what is I2? I2 is being connected between the points node 1 and 3. Okay, it is passing from node 1 to 3. So node 1 is higher potential. So I will write it like V1 minus V3 divided by 12 plus what is the third one? Third one is I3. I3 is nothing but V1 by 3. V1 by 3 or V1 minus 0 by 3 because this point is the reference point. Okay, what is that? Neutral, grounded one. And what is also mentioned here, you can see that this particular voltage which is available here is marked as V, which is normally V1. So I can write V1 is equal to V. So all these okay can be written as 12 minus V divided by 4, which is equal to V minus V3 by 12 plus V by 3. And if you see and solve this equation, do some manipulations, you will get it like 8V minus V3 is equal to 36. This is going to be your first equation. This is going to be your first equation. How many of you got it correctly? Up to which point you got it correctly? Any clarifications you really need it here? Any clarifications you need actually? Hello? Everybody in the class, please respond. Unless otherwise you say something, whether you understood or not, I don't know. Only if you ask me doubts or say or discuss with me, then only I can come to a conclusion that you have understood these things, you have not understood these things and all. So please communicate whatever is there in your mind. So for writing the second and third equation, let me do this. Any doubts in the writing the first equation? Anybody?
No, sir.
Okay. Right. So, okay, right, fine. So what would be the second equation? Can anybody help me in writing that? If you consider that node 2, let me go to the next slide, right? At node 2, yes, please. Tell me. Node 2 is here. Okay, one manipulation, maybe I can help you in that. This point, which is available, can be connected here. So this diagram will be looking like, let me try that. This connection will be like this. Okay, you can connect this. Okay, you will not have this, right? So now this will be easier for me, right? Tell me. This is one current which is moving away. This is another current, and this is going to be another current. We don't know the direction, so I take it as okay. Okay, this is I5, no? So you have an I5 there. So let me also consider that. Okay, so you may have this direction to be different. Yes, tell me. Okay, this is the current. So I think I can write directly V3 minus V2 divided by 6. This branch, this one, V3 minus V2 by, okay, is coming towards the node, and the other things are leaving the node. So I will write it like V by 4 is one current, the current which is passing here, V by 4, and the other current is V2 divided by V2 divided by 6. So if I manipulate that, okay, I will get it like 3V plus 4V2 minus 2V3 is equal to 0. Let us be, this is second equation. Any doubts here, please? Any doubts at this point? Okay, maybe, okay, you may have a doubt why you have chosen V3. The current from V3 has, you can choose it in the other direction. Only thing is what you will get, you will have a negative sign there. You will not have any much of a change there. Okay, if you are choosing your current direction in the opposite direction, then your answer will be in negative side, negative answer. Okay, so you can know that this is the way or this is the direction you have to choose to get a positive value. So I have chosen it in V3 to V2. If you want, you can choose it from V2 minus V3. That is also not an issue at all. How many of you have doubts in this particular equation? Anybody wants me to okay further develop it from this point? இதுல இருந்து இது வந்தது நான் திருப்பி எழுதணுமா? Hello? So minus V by 4 வரும். Then you have already minus V2 by 6 is there. You will have another minus V2 by 6. Okay, plus V3 by 6. This is equal to 0. Okay, if you take your LCM 4 or 6, what will you get? 4 or 6, 2, 2, 3. So 4, 3, 12. So you will have a 12 there. Okay, 12 is the LCM. So you will have minus 3 volt. If you add these two, you will get 2 V2. So you will get minus 4 V2. Okay, plus 2 V3 is equal to 0. So I will write it like minus 3V minus 4V2 plus 2V3 is equal to 0. Okay, because if I take this 12 to 0, this side will become 0. So I can write 3V plus 4V2 minus 2V3 is equal to 0. This is there here. This is what you have it here in the second equation. Got it? Hello? Everybody? Respond, then only I will be able to. Any doubts actually?
No doubt, sir.
Everybody is keeping calm, only one or two are responding. Nafis, you have raised your hand. Any doubt you have? Nafis, you have raised your hand. Do you have any doubt? ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಬದಲು இல்லையாடா? Okay, if you consider your node 3, what do you have? Again, this is like this. Okay, so don't worry about this diagram, this connection. You will not have this. You will have this one. Okay, this one you have, and this connection is there. So you have already noticed this. What is the third? We can write V3 minus V2 by 6 plus you have an I5 there. What is I5? It is V3 by 4. Okay, it is leaving. Plus V3 by 2 because this current is also leaving actually. It is not in this direction. Let me write it down. This one. 3 currents are leaving that branch. Okay, I6 is leaving the branch. I5 is leaving and this is also leaving as per our assumption, which is equal to V by 3. Now if you manipulate all these 3 and again you will find another equation. 5V plus 2V2 minus 12V3 is equal to 0. This is your third equation. Okay. 5V plus 2V2 minus 12V3 is equal to 0. This is your third equation. I hope that I will write all these three equations. I will give you 2 minutes time. Let me get that using your calculators. So my first equation is 8v minus v3 is equal to 36. Even I can write it like 8v plus 0v2 minus v3 is equal to 36. Okay, this is my first equation. My second equation is 3v plus 4v2 minus 2v3, which is equal to 0. This is my second equation. Then 5v plus 2v2 minus 12v3 is equal to 0. This is my third equation. Now the time starts now. Let me get who is going to give me the first answer. Find v2 and v3. That is v1, v2 and v3. Use your calculators to get the answer. Make it fast. V, which is equal to v1 is equal to v2 is equal to v3 is equal to. You know how to handle these equations using your calculators. Let me try. Who is going to give me the first answer? I wait for another two. Yes, I've already got it. What is that? 4.686. Karunya, very good. Then V2. V2. Again, it's Karunya. Minus 2.769 volts. Excellent. What about V3? Excellent. 1.491 moles. So I think Karunya, you'll be getting 15 out of 15 in this particular question. Anyway, I will wait for another 5 minutes. People have to confirm me whether you got this answer. My answer and Karunya's answer is okay, same. Let me check it out with the others also. Second opinion. Getting a second opinion. We will see. The class has to respond. I am waiting for another 2 to 3 minutes. Only this substituting the equation and getting the answer is very simple actually. Sushma said yes, okay. So I believe that Sushma got these answers. What about the others? Okay, Shanmugha Krishnan is also getting that right. Then only two have got right. Okay, Afsal got it right. Okay, three. The count has to increase, no? Fast. Everybody in the class, please respond. Use your calculators to calculate. What happened to others? I don't know, right? They are still using the calculators, taking this much time to get the answers. Go to mode, click 3 times, you will get EQN. Press 3, now press 1, then again press 3, A1, A1, B1, C1, D1, A2, B2, C2, D2, A3, B3, C3, D3, X, Y, Z is your answers. And that has to be similar to this, what is there in this screen. Okay, right. So we will see how much is there, right? I will go to the third problem. Those two problems are based on mesh nodal analysis, and this is going to be based on your mesh analysis. I will try to give you the equations directly. I will mark it like I1. I will tell you something about what you call it as inspection method. Please listen here. I1, I2, I3 is equal to, then I1, I2, I3 is equal to, then I1, I2, I3 is equal to. Okay. Or even I can help you in that. Okay, right. We will have it like this is first equation, second equation, and third equation, which might have your I1, I2, I3 coefficients because we have three loops where three currents are there. Please listen here, whoever is there. Okay, this is going to be very simple, and I am going to use in this inspection method. What is that inspection method? I will tell you. Writing out the equations directly. Okay, first consider the first loop. First consider the first loop. What are you having? How many resistors are there in your first loop? Tell me. Everybody in the class, please respond. How many resistors are there in the first loop in which current I1 is passing through? First loop la etana resistor pa irukku? Okay, 2. Jennifer, correct. So what are they? 5 ohm and 6 ohm. இந்த ரெண்டு ரெசிஸ்டர் தான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் லூப்ல இருக்கு. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் லூப்ங்கிறது இதுதான் கரண்ட் I1. இது செகண்ட் லூப். Let me even write that for your kind information. This is first loop. This is your second loop and third loop. Okay, right. So first loop you have two resistors which are related to I1, and this 5 ohm resistor is common to I1 and I2. This 6 ohm resistor is common to I3 and I1. I think you are trying to follow me. So to get I1, which is the first loop current, you have to add both these resistors. What is that? 11 I1. If you add these two, because it is related to I1 completely, 5 is related to I1 and I2, 6 is related to I1 and I3. Okay, so for I1 you have to add the entire resistor which is in this loop 1. So you have two resistors, I am adding it. Similarly, tell me what is there in I2. Second equation, I2 coefficient. Because I2 is the only current which is completely related to all these three resistors. What are those three resistors? You have 5 ohm, you have 12 ohm, and you have 2 ohm. If you add all these, you will get 19. Okay. And the third thing, you have two more resistors. What are they? 6 and 2. Okay, 6 and 2, which is related to I3 alone. So I will put it like here, 8 I3. 6 plus 2 will give me 8 I3. Okay, then I go to the first equation. What is the common resistor between I1 and I2? Tell me the common resistor between I1 and I2. 5. And tell me, if I am considering my first loop, the primary current is I1, and you can see that I1 is in this direction, I2 is in this direction. Okay, I am considering first loop, so the primary current I have to note down is I1. Okay, I1. So what I will do, I1 is positive, so I will put plus 5. I2 is negative, so my coefficient changes as minus 5. Can anybody say what will be for I3 here? Consider the first loop and third loop, because 6 ohm resistor is common to first loop and third loop, I1 and I3. And my current I1 is passing like this and I3 is coming like this. Now what should be there here? Whether you will get plus 6 or minus 6. Karunya, yes, it is correct. Minus 6 is correct because I3 is in the opposite direction of I1. I1 is my primary current. So it is in the opposite direction to the primary current. So it is going to be minus 6. Can anybody say what will be here for second equation, first coefficient? For I1, what will be the coefficient in second equation? It is going to be minus 5 because you see here I2 is in this direction, I1 is there in this direction. I2 is the primary and I1 is in the opposite direction, so minus 5. What will be there here? I2 is here in this direction, I3 is there in this direction, and 2 ohm resistor is common to both 2 and 3. Now what will be that coefficient of I3 here? It will be minus 2. Correct. So what will be, you will get it here for I1 in third equation. You will have minus 6, you will have minus 2 plus, and if you go here, this is going to be 12 volt, this is going to be 0, and this is going to be 0. And this actually has to be not 0 because you can see that I3, okay, I3 is in the opposite direction, so you will have 2I, not 0 will be there. Okay, because it is again a source voltage. Here it is current is entering through a negative potential. So if you write it in this side, it will be minus. If you take it to the next side, it is going to be 12. Okay, plus 12. Again, you can see that the current is entering, it is in positive. So if you write it here, it is going to be positive. If you take it to the next side, it is going to be minus 2I. But what is I actually? I from this diagram, I is available here. It is I1 minus I2. I is equal to I1 minus I2. So if you substitute it here, only this equation changes. So it is minus 6I1 minus 2I2 plus 8I3, which is equal to minus 2I1 plus 2I2. If you take both the things here, you will have minus 2 will give you plus 2. So you will have minus 4I1 and you will have minus 4I2 plus 8I3 is equal to 0. So you have three equations here, and if you solve that three equations, you will get your answers. Let me check my answers here, which is available with me. So, okay. I have, if I solve this equation, I will get I1 is equal to 2.25, I2 is equal to 0.75, and I3 is equal to 1.5. If I solve these three equations, I will get it like, what is that? Equation 1, equation 2, and this is my equation 3. If I solve these three equations, I will get these values. And what is I? I is equal to I1 minus I2. So 2.25 minus 0.75 will give me 1.5 amps, which is amperes. So this is the final answer. Okay, so three questions we have discussed so far. You have one more question to be discussed. We will see that, or I will try to make it as a video and I will submit it to you. This is super mesh. This question, fourth question, is the super mesh question. Meanwhile, those who have not wrote it correctly in your assessment, you try to resubmit your answers to me in the Google Classrooms. Okay, you can resubmit it. We will see. We will consider that also. Okay. We will discuss about this fourth question. Maybe as a video lecture, I will put it to you, or we will spend another a few minutes to spend it in the next class probably. Okay. So with this, your first unit is over. From tomorrow or from the next class, we will be discussing on our second unit. So thank you very much for joining today's class. And if you have issues related to our doubts related to the whatever we have discussed, you can comment me on any time, anywhere in your in the video which I will upload, or you can directly ask questions in your WhatsApp group. I will try to answer that. Thank you very much for joining today's class.
Thank you, sir.